Hey, what's going on? It's Sai here. So in this video, I want to show you some advanced feature in your automation. The first one is if and else. So this one, it will actually see if your subscriber match certain condition. And if they match the condition, they will go to the yes route. Otherwise, they will go to the no route. So let's see how does it work. So we have to choose a condition, right? So there are many things you can choose. You can see, oh, if someone have a tag, or if someone has clicked on a link, or if someone has not clicked on a link. Or you can choose geographic data or some actions here, right? So maybe we choose has not clicked on the link. Then we can choose, okay, maybe this campaign. So he didn't click on the link on demo 2. Then we click on add. So as you can see, if someone has not clicked on the link, they will go to the yes route. And if someone click on the link, they will go to the no route. So right now you can do many things, right? So maybe you can resend the reminder, or you can resend the email to them. Say, hey, you forget this email, so you just remind them. Or you can tag them. So if someone do click on the link, you can give them a tag. So these tags can be used for future automation. Maybe if you want to run another like if else, you can see, hey, this guy already have this tag, so you can just ignore them, right? Also, another really powerful one is go to, right? So this one can be done. So right now you send 2 reminders, so you can also give them, you can bring them to another route just by using go to. So those are the 3 most like common used feature in the automation. The first one is if else, and the second one is tag, and third one is go to. So let me show you some like example how I use that in real life. So let's take a look at the real life example. So this is an actual campaign I'm using for my business. So it may looks like complicated, but don't worry, it's actually really easy. So I only use if and else for 2 purposes, right? The first one is I want to make sure they don't miss any important message. The second one is I want to make sure they don't read the same story twice, right? So when someone signs up, I will give them the tag. So this tag is for me to make sure they don't read the same thing twice, right? So I will do a conditional judgment here. So I will see, okay, if you got this EIC onboarded tag, if they do have this tag, I know they already read my story. So I will send them to this route, and they will go directly to the end of the sequence, right? So this is my onboarding sequence. I will tell a story in this sequence. So if they didn't have the tag, I know they never read my story before, then I will send them to my sequence. I will tell my stories in this sequence, right? So then I will starting to build the want and the desire for the product. So I will send them a case study here, right? So because I want to make sure they do click on the link to watch the video, I will do an if else here. So I will to make sure if they click on the link. If they didn't click on the link, then I will send them another reminder to say, hey, be sure to click on the link. Or if they has clicked on the link, I will send them to this route. Then they will skip the entire like messages to there, right? So if they didn't click on a link, I will send another reminder, right? So I will do another judgment here to see if they click on the link the second time. If they still hasn't, I will just send another reminder, right? Or if they do click on the link, then I will send it to this one. So that's pretty much how I use if and else to make sure they didn't miss any important message, or to make sure they don't receive the same story twice. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.